GPT. Those are the two that I've used the most, played with often. I'm curious why you, if you're using both together, why you might start with one or the other. Like my personal experience right now, we have been experimenting with Claude and trying to use the some to help us take these episodes, the transcript from this, and lay out the beginnings of an article. Claude does that better than ChatGPT, which is why I chose Claude. I've tried both, right? For reasoning type problems, it looks like ChatGPT's engine might be a little bit better, the most recent one. But how do you think about your using these tools?
There are a whole bunch of them out there. So many of these things
Yes.
are free, easily accessible. You could just find tons of them. The best way I've found, if you do something very repetitively, like say you have some task and you need to figure that out, and well, what tool is the best? And I wrote about this a few weeks ago in my blog. What you can actually do is you can have one of the models create a test that would be representative, and then give that test to all the other models
Hmm.
with the scoring, and then bring it back to that first model and have it score it. And it will tell you, oh, hey, it looks like this one was the best. You do that, you do that a few times. This is probably like a half hour thing to do in total. And with that, you will probably actually see, just based on how the models evaluate it, how it comes up with questions, how it reasons through it, all this stuff. In 30 minutes, you could figure out a pretty good way to do that. So like that's the 30-minute version is the long version of that. The short version is just keep 4 windows open. Like right now on
Right.
my Chrome browser, I have a whole host of models that are just there in front of me as shortcuts. If I have a question and I'm not sure which one to start with, I will literally just put the exact same prompt in 4, 5, 6 different models, and then I'll just let it run.